What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope everyone is healthy and well. Happy New Year's! Bringing in a new year, I wish everyone nothing but prosperity in this new year and a wonderful, amazing health to you and all your loved ones, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Let's go ahead and jump right into this. Today, we will be bringing in the new year, reacting to the fireworks. That's right, the amazing, insane, tremendous fireworks in Berlin, Germany. Now, this is actually my first impression as an American checking out the fireworks shows in Germany, or just the fireworks in general. See how crazy you guys get on the holidays. It's a new year, bringing in a new year. Come on, what better way than watching fireworks? We gotta go ahead and check this video out. And this wasn't even recommended. I stumbled upon this video today, luckily, and I'm gonna try to post it today. Yeah, I'm gonna try to post it. This is a beautiful. This is like, it was perfect. Today is New Year's Day. I'm sorry if you guys see this video a little late. Please forgive me. We're not gonna talk about that. Shout out to the YouTube recommendation. I was gonna search. Believe that. This is crazy. Everybody's outside on the main streets, the roads, the sidewalks, popping fireworks. Wait a minute. What about the buildings, though? What about if there's people living in these buildings? You see how close this is to that car? Oh. I just don't care. That didn't sound like no fireworks. Ain't sound like no fireworks, boy. This sound is terrifying. I love it. Wow, this is nice. So what part is this? Is this like your city? No. Don't sound like fireworks right there. What? This is not. I'm trying to be immature. From a distance, we're about to be on the same street.
Wir sollen doch da spielen.
No. Yeah, I'm thinking somebody's shooting these things at us. I'm like, you doing this on purpose? Look. Man. That's OD. He's pointing directly at the buildings. Brother don't even care to point in the sky no more. He let them things fall. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Imagine that thing hit the window or something, or what if it hit somebody? And nobody's complaining, nobody cares. This is my type of sweat. This is why I love y'all. This is why I love y'all country and what y'all got going on. It's the new year. Stop complaining and let them things fly anywhere. Oh no! That was crazy. The window? The window though? Oh. Oh! Did that go in the car? What the hell y'all got going on? No. Hold on. Gotta let the camera focus. And because I be damned if a firework hit my car. If my Honda? Oh, no. Not my baby. I let it call more than myself. Take me, don't take the car. Let me stop. Fireworks is OD. These people up in their house having a good time when the New Year's bringing it in. And a car is outside getting done up. Fireworks hitting windows. Don't nobody recognize this? You would have seen my light. I opened that window. Yeah, I'm creeping. Who is that? What? I gotta come outside. I'm trying to figure out why I got a burnt mark on my window. Yeah. This is crazy. Man, I love the way y'all moving out there though. This is funny. This reminds me of like the city, but a bunch of juveniles doing it when they know they're not supposed to. I'm assuming this is illegal. If it isn't, it ain't my business. I don't take it. Oh, bro. Hey, man, they doing that on purpose, bro. Stop it. They wanted to get it in here. Yo, y'all are wicked. Folda, Bistro. Am I saying it right? Man, they not rocking with your store, your franchise, your business. They not rocking with it. They are like specifically targeting your business and that home up there. Oh my gosh! Imagine if we were like tongue twister. Oh, imagine if we were like sitting on the balcony and you got hit with one of the things. These things ain't gonna hurt nothing. Oh no! I knew I wasn't tripping. I had that PTSD kicking in. I'm feeling the tingle in my senses. I'm getting goosebumps. I have boom. I'm like, fireworks? That don't sound like fireworks, boy. I got survival instincts. I heard it the first time. Am I careful? Is everything even for you guys? I want to make sure everything is right on the New Year's for my people. Everything is perfect. You see what I'm saying? With the quality, got to make sure everything is sharp. Man, I knew it was gunshots. You seen it in their head walking around. Like it ain't nothing. This is legal? Y'all could just walk around like that? Are these cap guns? Are these real firearms? Bro, I just seen it in the man's hand like this. I wanted to run. I forgot I'm reacting to the video. I knew I heard it the first time. I would have got up out of there. Ain't no enjoying the firework, nothing. I heard a boom. That's fireworks? What type of fireworks y'all got going on? and it's not fireworks. I knew it. I knew it. If I was there, I would have left. Just because I'm like, nah, nah. And everybody surrounding this man like he don't got a pipe in his hand. Like he can't take you out right now. Like he don't got full control over your life right now if he wanted to. It's not the same as the US. I tell y'all that, boy. It's not the same. Look at that. Oh, it's not a gun. Man, it's shooting fireworks. Oh, you learn something new every day. Squad, please forgive me, guys. As you can see, I thought this was real. I didn't know this was like a traditional thing. I didn't know there were like, things that look like artillery, but it's shooting fireworks or like flares, whatever you want to call them. What do you call them? And what do you call this weapon? What do you call this item? This firearm? Do I call it that? It's literally like shaped like a gun, but it's shooting fireworks. I've never seen something like that. And here I am thinking like, why are they just walking around like this so freely? And nobody's like ducking their head. Man, I'm ducking low. I gotta go. Ain't no stopping me. I heard that boom, 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 boom. In the beginning, I would have been running. You know what I'm saying? It's not even a... I'm sorry. Please forgive me. You see how he pointing that joint at him? I'm like, and the way they point it is crazy. Imagine you walking around with a gun and he's just pointing it at somebody and it's normal. Then what that? We not in war. We not out there. This isn't normal. It's not even a gun. Bro, I can't believe, like, what is this? So I can look it up, please. Can I purchase one in the US? I might get popped if I pull that out. I'll pull that out. What? I'll buy you juices if I pull that out. What? Pull that thing out in the US. Pull it out in the US. They're gonna turn you behind the butter, boy. Are these like the delinquents, old head NYNs, or is this like a normal practice on the New Year's? Because they still aiming it at that business right there. Like, what's up? Crazy on that block. Let them have it. They go wild. I don't think they stop unless they run out of the mode. Whatever you put inside them little devices, I said devices. Whatever the thingamajig is called. I'm gonna call it the thingamajig for now because I don't know what it's called, but it looked like a pipe. Please let me know in the comments. What is that thing shooting out fireworks? It looked like artillery. We can't carry such thing in the US like that. What? Go ahead, play with your life if you want to. Talk about his fireworks. All right. Oh, see a light show, that's gonna be the day your behind get lit up trying to play with somebody, pull that thing out. Look what I got. Okay. I'm not taking no chances, guys. We got some scary people in this world that live like, on defense 24/7. You pull something out to have a good time like this, they may boom you. May just pop. Man, that's crazy. Like wow, bro. Wow. At least you guys having fun out there. See, everybody's enjoying it. Nothing but vibes. That squiggly one, I ain't never seen nothing like that. Wait, I left the street like that? Why I got the street? Why I got the street looking like that? Why the street look like that? Man, I gotta clean that up. Come on. I thought they popped their tire when they rolled. You need a license for this? To get certain fireworks? Or is it free for everyone to just buy? We got youngins out here drinking 16 to 18. I can't purchase no damn fireworks though. Bro, they out here. These youngins is out here at the shops 13, 14, 15, 16. And who knows what else? And I can't get no fireworks? Huh? Stop that, bro. I'm getting tired of the rules in the US. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. Like the rules out here be so stupid. Talking about you want to run to a vehicle in some states. You can't 21? Nope, you gotta be 25. What? Like, bro, I'm sorry to even like speak on that, but it's just certain things is crazy. Like it's preposterous. I don't know. These fireworks are amazing. Y'all gotta play that over. Y'all gotta stop with that. I ain't never gonna do this. That is so cool. That's so cool. Why nobody else? Shit, y'all ain't got no more? Why nobody else showing no? Why is it that every car I've seen so far is driving reckless? Y'all be driving fast, boy. Y'all be pushing it. Look, every single video, it's to the point, it's like every single video I see of y'all driving, y'all are speeding. Like, the speed limit must be up there. I like that. It must really be up out there because... one of them balconies up there, if I had like a spot, busting fireworks all night long from the balcony. What? From the balcony all night long, letting them fly. See, it's calm over here. Ain't really too much going on. I'm not seeing like no homeless people or nothing. Like, I don't know if this is the area, but I'm not noticing no homeless people or nothing. Like, that's really good, guys. And like I said, maybe it's different areas, but it seems really clean, man. Are the homeless providing shelters? Because I don't see any. And it's to the point where it's like in the U.S., you know, it doesn't really matter between, you know, the nice areas and, should I say the, what's going up there? I don't want to put it like a nice way. I didn't really want to sound rude. Because they'll have all this jammed up right here. Yeah. Jammed up. Y'all ever been to California too? What? Oh, this is theirs. This whole thing is theirs. So it's cool. Like, I'm not seeing no homeless people or nothing in Germany. This is a nice walk. So this is Berlin. This is what Berlin looks like. Is Berlin like busy? Is this where all the fireworks be at? Or that's just where he happens to be in this video? Let me know, like, what am I missing from Berlin? I'm bullshit. Look how he back there. I love driving. I love how to drive. Where's that? I hear the sirens. This is an amazing video. If you guys enjoyed this video, brought to us today by Rec Lab, original video link will be in the description down below. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and turn all post notifications on, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. Once again, Happy New Year's to you, your friends, your family members, you and your spouse, your pets, whoever, man. If you're bringing the new year in alone, it's okay. I wish you nothing but peace, for real. Yeah. I wish you all nothing but an amazing health and positivity and growth. Nothing but achievements. Achievements reached in new levels in 2026 for everyone. And to continue. Each and every single year is supposed to get better. That's the way I look at it. Despite the challenges we face, we can't go a year without challenges, guys. Because how can we better ourselves? That's the way I look at it. So if you're going through anything right now, any challenges, mentally, physically, emotionally, don't let it break you, baby. Stay strong. Keep your faith up. You see what I'm saying? Believe in God. He gonna get you through it. He got you to another year, right? We here, right? You know what I'm saying? We are here right now. I'm sorry for shaking the camera. We are here right now, seeing another year, and I'm excited, baby, to see what's in store for me. I'm excited to see what's in store for you guys as well. Let me know your plans down below in the comment section, and how did you spend this New Year's with your friends, family members, and etc. I love y'all, man. Stay safe. Happy New Year's. Beautiful New Year's. These fireworks were incredible. They're incredible. Let me know. Were you somewhere out there in Berlin getting down? Were you with that what is that device called? Let me know, please. What is that device called? I'm about to go ahead and see if I can get me one.